Barry Thomas, Continuous Improvement Manager, Northrop Grumman, Radford, Virginia. So at our facility, we make medium caliber ammunition and commercial gunpowder. Yes, so on our journey to improve the processes and deliver good product to the customer, good quality product, we partnered with L2L back in 2009, and they've been instrumental in helping us improve the processes in our facility. What sticks out to me about L2L is visibility, escalation. We know what people are working on and how long it takes them to complete a job. We see issues immediately through an escalation process. So it's been really helpful to help us drive to root cause and solve problems and eliminate downtime. If we have a lot of downtime, it impacts deliveries to the customer, to the warfighter. So we want to make sure that we deliver good product on time. So employees are vital. They're what make the engine go. And my goal has always been as a continuous improvement leader, if we have 220 employees, we have 220 problem solvers. And L2L gives us the tools to be able to visibly see the problems and make good positive changes. So a real simple example that I always use, we have a process that has a photo eye, and that photo eye triggers our fire suppression system, and we work in a lot of, it's a dirty environment. And so we had many issues, multiple times a shift with the eye getting dirty and creating a fault and stopping the process. And yeah, it's 2 to 5 minutes each downtime period, but L2L allowed us to find the data, get historical data, and see that we had a lot of repetitive issues. So we put in gathered a team, came up with a solution to be able to keep that eye clean, and we haven't had any issues since. It's driven the downtime down to about, I think it's around 30 minutes less per shift. So I think for our maintenance group, the ability to see what happened on the previous shift, to read notes, and they hold each other accountable for making sure that they have good, concise notes from shift to shift so that they can see what problems that occurred the shift prior, and they hold each other accountable, and they appreciate that they support each other. If you work in an environment where everyone gets along and is working towards the same vision or goal, it makes life easier. You want to come to work every day. You don't dread it, so it's been a big help. Well, we have struggles like everyone else. We're constantly searching for talent, trying to bring people in. I think L2L has helped us get people up to speed much quicker, particularly in maintenance, because it is so user-friendly. So I think it's been a big benefit to us. My focus is really continuous improvement, but really my focus is training others, so that I want to be a leader, but I want others to have the same skill set that I have eventually to solve problems, to make improvements in the process. And L2L has really helped us do that. With the visibility, with the escalation process, you know what's going on every minute of the day.